Hey guys, welcome to a new video. The Ordinary just launched their first ever lip serum. And get this is an exfoliating formulation that promises to provide smoother, softer lips without the scrub, without that grit. And this honestly sounds like a dream come true because I have been searching for a product very similar to this for years. I was never able to find anything like it other than lip scrubs. And I cannot stand lip scrubs. I feel like these types of formulations compromise the lips even more, and I feel like they do more harm than good. So for The Ordinary to have launched a PHA 5% exfoliating lip serum, something that is designed to be gentle for all, I cannot wait to get my hands on this. Now it does launch today, and once I do purchase it and get testing it, I will be coming back in a future video to share my final thoughts, to share whether I love it or dislike it, and of course, talking about my experience. But until then, I want to talk about the ingredients. I want to talk about how you can incorporate this, how often to use it. Let's talk about the price point, the size of the product, and all of that good stuff. And of course, I will have this product linked below for you in my description box, along with discount codes for other brands, the makeup that I'm wearing in this video, as well as related videos. So this is not sponsored at all. If you've been with me for a while, you guys know how much I love The Ordinary, and anytime there's a new product from The Ordinary, or even NIOD for that matter, I'm always going to have a video for you. So if you love The Ordinary and NIOD, subscribe because I always have a lot of content on these two brands. So like I said, this is the PHA 5% exfoliating lip serum. PHA stands for polyhydroxy acid, and this is a type of exfoliant that is very similar to AHAs, alpha hydroxy acid, and BHA, beta hydroxy acid. But PHAs are more gentle because they contain a larger molecule. So when you apply this to your lips or to your face, this is going to have a slower delivery into the skin before it starts exfoliating. So these are more gentle and they're great for those that have sensitive skin. So this is at a 5% strength. Now in this formulation, there's also some AHAs, alpha hydroxy acids, and you might be familiar with lactic acid, glycolic acid, even mandelic acid. Those are just some examples of AHAs, but those ingredients are not in here. Instead, we have malic acid, citric acid, as well as tartaric acid. And these types of AHAs are more gentle than mandelic acid, glycolic, and lactic acid. So not only do we have PHAs, we also have a few gentle AHAs in here as well to gently exfoliate the lips, giving it that softer, smoother feel, preventing flakiness, and just keeping the lips nice and youthful. Now, besides these exfoliants, there's also some other great ingredients to keep the lips nice and hydrated and repaired. So we have glycerin, and glycerin is actually the first ingredient in the ingredient list. In a lot of skincare products like serums and moisturizers, you will always see aqua, water as the first ingredient, but in this formulation, we have glycerin as the first ingredient and then aqua. So that means that mostly the entire product is made up of glycerin, which is a lovely thing because glycerin is a humectant, so this is going to provide that deep hydration, which is what we need for the lips. It will plump up the lips as well, and it also has anti-inflammatory properties, and it just helps to repair and strengthen the skin. We also have ectoin in here, and ectoin seems to be a trending ingredient this year. We're seeing it everywhere. There's a lot of brands coming out with formulations with ectoin. Paula's Choice just came out with a formulation, so did Allies of Skin, and it is a lovely ingredient. It's actually a stress molecule, so this helps to protect the skin and the lips from environmental stressors like pollution. It also helps to strengthen and repair the skin barrier as well. There's also another ingredient in here called Daucus carota sativa. I hope I'm pronouncing this correctly. This is also known as the wild carrot plant. This is a type of antioxidant that gives that pink hue to the formulation. So this is not an artificial color that The Ordinary has added for the product to look fun. This is coming from an antioxidant ingredient ingredient that has anti-aging, soothing, and moisturizing benefits for the skin. So I thought that was quite interesting, and my goodness, it's nice to see something different in terms of an ingredient. We always see the same old, so it's nice to see something different in an ingredient list that we don't see much of or at all. So I love that. Now let's talk about how to use this now. So The Ordinary recommends to use the lip serum 2 to 3 times per week. Now I plan on using this in my nighttime routine. So after you've cleansed your skin, you've done all of your skincare, this would be the last step in your skincare routine. So make sure your lips are clean, of course, and completely dry. You're gonna go in with the littlest amount. So it comes in a dropper style packaging. All you need is a little drop for the lips, and you want to apply a thin layer across your lips. Leave it to dry. Leave it to completely dry before you put something else on top, whether that's a lip balm, a lip ointment of some kind, whatever the case is, just make sure that the lip serum is completely dry before putting something else on top. You don't have to put anything on top of this if you don't want to, but if you need more moisture, let's say, you can just wait until it dries. So again, I plan on using this in my nighttime routine just so that it's left on for a longer period of time without having to worry about eating and drinking throughout the day. Now this comes, like I said, in a dropper style type of packaging, and it comes in a 15 ml size. Now I know that's a small size, but I believe that this size is going to last a really long time because you only need probably a half a drop for your lips. You don't need much. So this might last 5 months, 6 months for some of us, even if it lasts 2 months. This retails at $12.10 Canadian, I believe, around $12, and like $8.50 American. So this is extremely affordable, and even if you went through this within a month, I mean, let's face it, that is so affordable to repurchase again. So I believe this is priced right. I think we're getting a good amount of product, and that formulation list looks really impressive. I cannot wait to try this. I actually feel like this might be a trending product that will go viral, that will sell out really quickly. Probably because of the color of it, because when that pink serum came out, you know, the soothing and barrier support serum from The Ordinary, I felt like that was trending like crazy because of the color. I think this is going to be a very similar thing, but also there really isn't anything like this on the market in terms of an exfoliating lip serum. So this is another reason why I feel like this is going to go viral. So get your product today because I don't know, I just have this feeling it's going to sell out really fast. But let me know if you're gonna try it. Let me know your thoughts on this product. Do you think that they did a good job here with the formulation? Do you feel like they could have tweaked it a little bit? Once you get trying this, I wanna hear your thoughts, and I will be coming back in October to give you an update because I feel like I'm not going to need too much time with this. It's something that I feel like we're gonna know really quickly whether we love or not. So I will be back very soon with my final thoughts, and again, I will have it linked below for you for your reference. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And of course, I will see you all in the next video. Take care, and I will see you all then. Bye, guys.